Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. So, wintertime in Washington is a good time to catch up on your boat maintenance and repair. And this hardtop specifically, I built 12 years ago, and it has stood the test of time. It has been over the roughest bar conditions, the Westport Grays Harbor bar. It's been over the Columbia River bar. It's been over the Push. It's been over every bar in Washington State. It's been launched out of just about every saltwater area. Not launched, but I've been all over the place, from Olympia, Tacoma, Seattle, Port Angeles, CQ, Neah Bay, La Push, Westport Grays Harbor, Wilpaw, the Wilpaw bar, and the Columbia River bar, Ilwaco, Astoria. It's been down to Seaside. It's been here and there and everywhere, and it's gone through everything. But check it out. When I was going from Tacoma to Seattle in September, I noticed that there'd been a creek developing, and the creek has turned into a crack. And check it out. My superstructure, you might call it, I've got a crack here going this way, a long crack, and it goes all the way around my boxed joint here. And I actually learned to weld aluminum on this project, and yeah, they're crappy, but there's some okay welds. There's a lot of grinding involved because I'm not a welder, but I did learn to weld. Years ago, this side frame cracked. It's just like a fore and aft support. And I just put a bracket on it. And I don't know, 5 years ago I upgraded my aluminum, or I upgraded the structure here by adding rivets, because dragging a welder into the boat, sparks flying everywhere, it's not an easy proposition. This was extra support for my propane tank. So after 12 years, all this wear and tear, ocean conditions, salt every year, the aluminum's starting to corrode. And anywhere where you've got stainless passing through aluminum with dissimilar metals, it only enhances the corrosion. So what needs to be done? All this needs to be scoured down, remove the aluminum corrosion, and repaint. Anybody have any ideas about what kind of paint I should use? And so I was thinking also that maybe I should go with aluminum screws. They're not really a structural screw here. It's just sort of helping hold everything in place. But as you can see, got numerous areas where the salt is just starting to take the aluminum. And so this is the other side of my support, opposite of the crack. And I actually think the stress has gotten to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fabricate some corner supports. They're going to be about in this shape. And I'm going to hammer them so they'll fit, and weld those into place, and maybe throw some rivets on them too. So maybe a little weld and rivet. So what's interesting though, so yeah, this is going to be the repair I'm going to get ready for, is my rocket launchers have no corrosion on them. And they've probably seen way more salt. I built this rocket launcher out of a ladder support that when you lean a ladder against a house, the arms would kind of stick out and hold it away from the house. Some aluminum tube, some aluminum channel, not channel, but aluminum that's shaped like this, L bracket. Rocket launcher's not corroded. It could be that the difference in the, I don't know, the anodizing of the aluminum maybe. The paint was just like a silver spray paint. You can see it's coming off everywhere. And this is just the aluminum underneath. So I'm not sure why. Even up here, not a lot of corrosion. Anyways, just keeping you up to date. Wintertime is a great time to do some repairs on your boat so you're ready for next season. You don't have to do everything the last minute. So I'll keep you updated. We're going to prep this for paint and welding. Thanks for watching.